Hello foodies, make your holidays healthy by making this instant gobi paratha. So before starting, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Take one big cauliflower, wash it properly, cut it into pieces and grate it like this. Chop 2 to 3 green chilies, grate the ginger. You can add more chilies if you want. Add some caraway and cumin seeds, red chili powder, black pepper powder and chickpea flour, that is also known as Sattu. It will give you a proper binding of the stuffings. Now add salt as per your taste and Hing, that is also known as Asafoetida, for a better digestion. Mix everything very well and yeah, your stuffing is ready. Keep it aside in a different container. Now it's time to make the dough for the parathas. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. You can use all purpose flour or wheat flour, it's totally up to you. Add some salt in it and mix everything properly like this. So I must say that you should try this instant gobi paratha because it is nutritious and delicious too. If you are hungry and in a hurry, you should make this instant gobi paratha. Now add water and make a soft dough. Now just take a good amount of stuffings in your hand and press it like this to form the balls, and don't worry about the shape, you don't have to make the round balls. Okay, take a small portion from the dough and flat it like this. Place the stuffings within it, seal it properly and just follow the instruction as shown in the video. Just press it with a soft hand, dust some flour over it and roll the parathas with a soft hand on the roller board. Be cautious, you have to roll it with a soft hand, otherwise stuffings may come throughout the parathas. Now just put the tawa on the gas on a high flame and after that place the paratha and flip it. Add some oil and cook the paratha on a medium flame. So our paratha is ready. Serve hot with chutney or green chili sauce.